The Camry TRD has arrived with edgier styling, two-tone paint, a TRD body kit, sport suspension with front and rear sway bars, TRD 19-inch alloy wheels, and low-profile tires. From the back, the Camry's performance theme continues with a TRD dual exhaust, a rear deck spoiler, a shark fin antenna, and TRD branding. The large carpeted trunk offers plenty of luggage capacity for extended road trips. From the driver's side, this high-performance sedan looks amazing in windshield white with a contrasting black roof, TRD LED headlights, and a front spoiler. Inside, you'll find striking red and black leather upholstery with TRD branded trim, along with climate-controlled air conditioning, push-button start, heated seats, sport pedals, power windows and locks, dynamic radar cruise control, a leather-wrapped wheel with tilt steering, and an Apple and Android compatible AM, FM, SAT radio display audio system with Bluetooth and a backup camera. The new Camry's longer wheelbase increases legroom in the back for your passengers, and the TRD red and black theme continues with red seat belts. Driving enthusiasts will love the 301 horsepower 3.5-liter six-cylinder engine mated to an 8-speed automatic transmission. The Camry TRD is sure to impress with a wider, longer, and lower stance and enhanced suspension and exhaust. Be one of the first to drive one home. Call today and book your test drive or stop by for a look. We're located on Litre Road in Kelowna.